I prayed, and I prayed, but I continued to fail and fail and fail, but it didn't matter.
How do you avoid stop loss hunting?
Stop loss hunting. Do you know what that is? It's a hard question to answer.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
So in retail trading, there's a saying that, oh, if you place your stops too obviously, then the market makers will take you out and then flush you out and buy at a cheaper price.
Okay. The stop needs to be where the stop needs to be. If you do not think long and hard about where you're going to put your stops, that you're going to find that you can quite easily die in a sea of stop losses. Institutional traders are taught from their first day that they buy good levels or they don't buy at all.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's simple, but it's not easy. But all you have is all you need. It's the start that stops most people.
Nothing clever.